Welcome to the Fit One Healthy Eating Challenge. Here's a quick tutorial to show you how to log your goals and your daily healthy eating wins in Run Sign Up. So first you're going to navigate to runsignup.com. Once you get there, you're going to click on this person icon in the far right corner and then click on your profile. Once your profile pops up, you're going to scroll down until you see the Fit One Challenge series. From here, you're going to click on Submit Virtual Results. And then once this page is open, you'll see that there is a drop-down menu with tons of activities that you can choose from, or you can choose other. So this is where you are going to be able to input what your healthy eating wins were. So say your win was trying a new recipe. If you tried, say, 2 new recipes in a week or in a day, you can go ahead and note that here. And then you can add comments if you want to share what that recipe was, how you liked it, anything like that. And then once you're done inputting all your information, you can click Submit Activity. To update your goals, you are going to go ahead and scroll down and you'll see this Edit Personal Goals section. From here, you can input how many new recipes you want to try in a day or in a week, how many servings of fruits and vegetables you want to eat in a day or a week, and so on and so forth, and then hit Save Goal. These goals are what you make them. You can choose to set these goals every day. You can choose to set them based on a weekly cadence or on a month-long cadence. It's totally up to you. Just as with everything in this challenge, it is really what you make it. So we're excited to see what you come up with, and good luck.